Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Let's do a bit of urban sketching today, using 3 colors only. I really enjoy drawing on location and trying to capture the life of a place. For this video, I will use a photo that I found online, but the technique I am going to show you can be done on any location. A scene can feel overwhelming, but what I often do is divide my view into 3 different sections: close by, far away, and in between that. Using a continuous line helps you to move your line and prevents you from stopping to add all kinds of details which take you a long time to draw. Instead, you quickly capture the shapes that are important to tell your story about the place you're recording. Because people are often moving, you need to be quick, and your continuous line will definitely help you with that. You decide what you want to include. I think the metal frames of the chairs and tables will slow me down and also clutter my foreground, so I just decide not to include them in my drawing. The postures of the people already indicate that they are sitting on a terrace. Once you have that first layer down, pick up the next color and draw what's behind those people. There's more people, some plants, and just move along with your continuous line with whatever catches your eye. Again, don't go into detail. Now for the background, pick up that third color and again, using a continuous line technique, trace the shapes that you see with your eyes and follow with your pen. It doesn't need to be super accurate, just keep the line moving and find smart ways to move from one shape to the next. This is a great way to practice a quick, fluid line and start drawing fearlessly and with a sense of play. If you want to learn more urban sketching techniques, then make sure to sign up for the Urban Sketching course right away on sketchbookschool.com.